Hi, and welcome to today's newscast. Let's start today's newscast off by saying A-Train has broken out of jail. Yes, the serial killer who has killed 30 people, including Raw Dog, has broken out of jail. He could be in your backyard. If you see this man, please contact this number below. A-Train has recently sent in a new video to us. It's him killing another guy. His name is Steak Man. Please, viewer discretion is advised. No.
Yeah, what do you guys say about this one, please?
I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I get it. Yeah.
Late last night, federal authorities believe to have found a dead body, which was in the case of A-Train. They believe he is behind all these murder cases. Here's the picture that was found. This was the very weapon to use that was killed to kill Veggie Man. Yet another horrifying video was sent in by A-Train. Take a look at this video. Viewer discretion is advised.
This kid doesn't know how to swim.
Poor Fruit Man. Never had a chance.
Yeah, I took quarter water, sold it in bottles for $2. And Coca-Cola came and bought it for billions. What the fuck? Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire, I write the check before the baby.
After a recent video A-Train has sent in, federal authorities believe that they know where he can be. Watch this video. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm gonna break this guy's skull.
If you watch closely, you could see his location. This picture shows where he is. Police!
50. I get it.